Window Manager versus desktop environment versus Windows system. What's the difference? I'm confused as to what these terms actually mean and as to what they do/how they contribute to the system as a whole. In particular, back when I was running Ubuntu, there were several keywords like. What exactly is the difference between all of these? Which can be changed? Do the same things apply when we're talking about /alxt? Edit? Also, do things like compose work in every window manager/Windows system/desktop environment?
X11 is a network protocol. It encodes things such as graphic primitives, images, pointer motion, and key presses. Zorg is an X server. It implements X11 and provides an interface to keyboards, mice, and video cards. GTK Plus is a widget toolkit. It provides things such as buttons, scroll bars, edit boxes, etc. Metacity and Compose are window managers. They decorate X window primitives and support various operations such as moving, resizing, and maximizing of windows. GNOME, KDE, and windowmanager are desktop environments. They provide libraries and specifications that applications use and follow in order to play nice with other applications.
GNOME is a desktop environment. It handles the desktop icons and panels. Metacity is one of GNOME's window managers. It keeps Windows organized. GTK Plus is GNOME's widget toolkit. It draws the buttons and checkboxes. X11 is the Windows system, the thing that draws the windows on the screen. Zorg is an open source implementation of X11, usually synonymous with X11. Compose is a window manager and desktop compositor. A desktop compositor is a program that renders special effects, such as a desktop cube, on your screen. You can run Compose in GNOME, KDE, and Unity at least. Just get the CCSM package by entering this into the terminal. Don't enter the $sign in the space after it. These just mean that you are not logged in as root. In CCSM, Compose Config Settings Manager, turn on and configure whatever desktop effects you want. Be careful! You may lose the title bars in GNOME and Unity. If that happens, press Ctrl-Alt-F1 and then type in. Look under the PID column and note the number on the Zorg entry. Then enter. The login screen should appear immediately. Log in again and avoid making the mistake you did last time. Sorry for the long discourse.
Here are the terms defined, along with some Ubuntu-centric examples. Window Manager takes the requests of Windows and puts them where they need to go. Does things like title bars, menus, etc. Example, Metacity. Desktop Environment, a superset of window managers that add things like panels, backgrounds, and other niceties. Example, GNOME. Windowing System, the actual low-level software that allows for things like Windows to even exist in the first place, and draws them on the screen. Example, Zorg. In general, you may also be interested to know that the window manager and desktop environment are what the user interacts with. You don't directly touch, unless you are in a recovery shell, the windowing system. Note also that these things can be modular to respect with another. For example, you can use any window manager on Zorg, and any desktop environment on top of any window manager.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.